Hi, welcome to Adobe Tutorials. Today you will learn how to create 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator CC. Take a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle as a background layer. Choose a color for this layer and remove the stroke. Click on Object and select Lock, then click on Selection. This will lock the layer. Now select a text tool and type what you want. Click on the window and select Appearance to enable the Appearance panel. Choose a color for the text. Go to the Appearance panel, click on the Effects button, select Extrude and Bevel option in 3D. Check the Preview button to show the adjustments you are making. Adjust the camera angle, increase the extrude depth up to 200. Click OK. Select the text, click on the object, and then click on Expand Appearance. Once again click on Object, this time click on Expand. We can now ungroup the text. Now select the text, click on Object, and then click on Ungroup. Adjust the distance between each word. Now select a door, click right mouse button and select Group. Go to Effects, Stylize, then click on Drop Shadow. Follow the adjustments I'm making. This will be the final object. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.